These are tonsil stones, not tonsillitis, tonsil stones, which is a debris that builds up at the back of your throat, like food, which calcifies, forms this yellowy, whitish substance that is stuck at the back of the throat. So it can cause you to have bad breath, it can cause you to have a sore throat, pain when you swallow, and coughing. What you need to do is just make sure that you have good oral hygiene. You gargle with salt water to get rid of it. You cough so that you can also get rid of the debris, but good oral hygiene overall.